Rupert, who are watching on land from sailing boat Mirror. Grandad and Ethan are watching out to sea. So there we are, a couple linked by the radio, and what a treat. Now, we weren't going to promise you red, white and blue smoke because we weren't sure it was going to happen, but by goodness it has. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of Clacton, let's welcome the Firebirds. Red smoke from the tips of one wing, blue smoke from the other, and white from the rear of the aircraft. Both of them trailing red, white and blue as they fly from right to left now.
Flying the RV4 aircraft, which is often nicknamed the hot rod of the sky. The RV aircraft are perhaps the most popular self-built aircraft in the world. Originally designed in America, these have been highly modified for aerobatic routines. We're having a little boogie here on the commentary point here with the fantastic music accompanying this aerobatic display from the Firebirds. These aircraft weigh as little as a third of a VW Golf car, around 500 kilograms.